Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back on this Wednesday. It has been wet and it's been wintry for some parts of the region. Here's a live look right now at South Fargo, looking at our Corwin Auto Sky Cam. And there's just a little bit of snow left in some of the ditches. Those roadways are still wet, but precipitation is no longer falling here at this time. Devil's Lake, Jamestown, Ellendale, up towards Langdon, seeing the sun shining bright for your lunchtime hour. But Fergus Falls, Bemidji, Baudette, seeing some moderate to heavy snowfall at this hour. That rain snow line right along I-94 on the Minnesota side. So Fergus Falls, you're likely seeing a little bit of that wintry mix. Same thing up towards Baudette. There's a little blip of green where you might be seeing a little bit of rain mixing in with that snowfall. Right now in Fargo, 35 degrees. We're still mostly cloudy as that cloud cover is working its way from the west to the east, and it's been gusty. Wind is out of the south-southeast at 10 miles per hour. Gusting to 21. We're at 35 degrees in Grand Forks right now, 32 in Fosston and Detroit Lakes, where we're seeing some of that heavier to moderate snowfall. Same thing up towards Bemidji. Only 30 degrees in Wadena right now, but 43 out in Jamestown with that sun. So the snow that has been falling, it's not going to stick around for very long because temperatures are expected to rise. Here in your hour-by-hour forecast, you can see that pushing out here in just the next couple of hours. So not too much longer that we'll be seeing that snow and rain and slushy mist falling. We will see some sunshine into your afternoon. Temperatures for most of us warming up into the 40s, even some 50s down to the south. But then a front slides through and we could see a few spotty showers or rumbles of thunder moving in later tonight. This is after the dinner time hour. This is 7:50 tonight. So your drive time looking pretty good. Maybe a few sprinkles off to the far west, but maybe on the lookout or listen out for a few rumbles later on tonight for around 6 to 10 o'clock time frame. For the snow that's falling today, we'll could see an additional 2 to 4 inches right towards Detroit Lakes and up towards Bemidji, where those coolest temperatures are. Primarily, though, most of that snow is moving out and it's going to melt quickly, and it's very slushy as well. There's that system for today, and we've been talking about this weekend storm since last week. There it is right now, moving its way onto land, and that helps us get a better picture of what's going to evolve over the next several days. And into Friday, we've got a severe weather threat. We're only at a level 1 risk of severe weather for this darker green in the southern valley, but in this lighter green, that means general thunderstorms, your garden variety thunderstorms, non-severe, just some rumbles of thunder. But within this darker green, Fergus Falls, Sisseton, Ellendale might have some gusty winds or even potentially some hail that goes along with that for Friday. Here's a look at that hour by hour for the weekend storm. This is starting Friday morning, primarily rain. Can't rule out a few flakes, but it looks like most of that will remain up in Canada. And then it's not until Friday night into Saturday as a warm front lifts up, making that air in your atmosphere a little bit more unstable to spark off some of those thunderstorms. Meanwhile, in the colder air behind this low pressure system that will be spinning, that's where we're concerned about more snow, potentially heavy snow, but it looks to remain well off into western North Dakota, western South Dakota, and into Montana. So mostly rain here on Saturday, but as that low moves to the east, we could see that transition into Sunday with some areas seeing rain, other areas, especially north, seeing a better potential for some snow, and we could still see some flakes as we head into Monday. So another busy weekend ahead. Here's your 7-day planner. Temperatures will be warming up this weekend. 65 in Fargo. That's a nice little lift of some warm air, also creating that instability for the chance of storms. Will be colder to the north, and look at how much temperatures drop from Saturday to Sunday as that low pressure system slides off to the east and that cooler air gets sucked right in with it. Only 38 by Monday. JC with another chance of some flakes.
See a lot of clouds up there.
Yeah, today is probably our best chance to see some sunshine.
We'll take it.